Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this look that I created when I took over Undiscovered MUA's Snapchat on Thursday. It was so much fun and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So the first thing I started with was some concealer on my eyelids. I used a Shiny Mini Masterpiece concealer. I honestly did not think it was sticky enough, so I did add some Hard Candy Glamouflage concealer on top of that. And it was a very nice base for my eyeshadows. We're also starting off with no eyebrows because I'm going to be blending the eyeshadows pretty far up on my eyelid. Then I took the color Ife. It's a dark matte purple by the Magic palette from Juvia's Place. I blended that up with the color Fire by the Morphe 3502 palette. It's a matte red, and I'm just blending the crease out, bringing it a little bit high up on the lid. I love these two color combinations. I've never tried anything like this before, and I'm so glad I did. To cut the crease, I did use the P. Louise Base Shade 2. It's a beautiful, beautiful base, very, very tacky and opaque. And I cut the crease a little bit further out this time. I did it kind of a cat eye shape. To set the concealer on the eyelid, I'm using the number 5 palette by the Shiny Mini Masterpiece. I'm picking up the Matte Bone shade and just packing that all over the eye. For the eyelid shades, I am going to be picking up Ife color again. It's going to be the matte dark purple, and I'm going to be placing that on the inner and the outer corner. I'm going to be creating sort of a spotlight effect with this. Then I'm picking up the color Fire by the Morphe 3502 palette and just placing that in the middle of the eyelid and just using the purple to blend it in. To highlight the middle of the eyelid, I'm taking the color Faso by the Magic palette as well, and I'm just placing that in the middle as a highlight, and I'm also placing that on the inner corner of the eyelid. For some more fun on the eyes, I'm using the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Cherry Bomb. It's a matte red eyeliner. I'm just lining my eyelids with it, and I'm also going to be using a spoolie brush and applying that as mascara on my lower lashes. To set everything, once again I'm taking the color Fire, the matte red from the Morphe 3502, and I'm just packing that on the places on top of it we put the eyeliner. For the face, I'm using the foundation palette by the Shiny Mini Masterpiece kit. I did do most of my makeup off camera since this video is just focusing on the eyes. I didn't want to put in a bunch of fluff that really wasn't that important since the main focus was the eyes. As you can tell, it's very dramatic. And then you can do your eyebrows. As you see here, I'm just cleaning them up with a little bit of a foundation and just blending it out into my forehead. To finish off the eyes, I'm just using the color Ife once again and smudging that on my lower lash line really close to the lashes. I'm going to be picking up the matte red shade, and I'm just going to be smoking it out a tiny bit with it. Then to line the waterline, I'm using this Shiny Chunky Lip and Eye Pencil. It's a red shade. And here you see me just adding some of that Suva Beauty Hydro Liner on my lower lashes. To set my waterline and the lashes, I'm picking up Fire once again and just packing that onto my waterline and the lashes. For lips, I lined and I filled them in with the Milani Liquid Metallic Lipstick in the shade Madly in Love. It's a matte red liquid lipstick with a little bit of shimmer. It is honestly so beautiful and perfect for this look. And to tie in this whole look together, I'm finally going to be showing you the highlight, and I use the Ofra Cosmetics with Nikki Tutorials collab, their collection Electro Glaze, and this is the highlighter shade named Space Baby. And that is the finished look. I hope you all liked it. If you did, don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll leave all of my social media links down below. And if you like, you can turn on the notification bell so you can know when my next video will be uploaded.